We begin this half hour with news making headlines on Capitol Hill. The Supreme Court is once again hearing arguments over Louisiana's redrawn congressional map. The case could have major consequences for minority representation and political power across the country. 17's Washington correspondent Rashad Hudson has more.
Outside of the U.S. Supreme Court, the fight over voting rights was front and center.
Black voters in Louisiana, not just in Louisiana, but across the country, have the opportunity to establish that they do deserve fair and equal representation.
Inside, justices heard arguments over Louisiana's congressional map. The state argues it's unconstitutional because it added a second majority black district. That change happened after a lawsuit claimed the original map diluted black voters' power. Louisiana Democratic Congressman Troy Carter says overturning that map would reverse years of progress.
The Voting Rights Act is as needed today as it was when it was created.
A group of voters challenged that new map, and in turn, Louisiana's Republican-led government now sides with them.
And it's no longer proper to basically be using race to draw districts. That is what happened here.
Conservative justices questioned whether race could be a factor in map making, while liberals warned that limiting it could further weaken the Voting Rights Act.
Race-based remedies are permissible for a period of time. What exactly do you think the endpoint should be, or how would we know for the intentional use of race to create districts?
Race is a part of redistricting, always.
The court is expected to make a decision next year that could reshape congressional maps ahead of the 2026 midterms. Reporting in Washington, Rashad Hudson.